Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how you can create a GPT in ChatGPT, so your very own personal assistant, and how you will be able to generate a lot of content super easily and make money online with that. Because as we know, you need to use your social media to make money online. This should be a source of income and not just a place where you're wasting your time. So I'm going to show you how you can easily create your GPT so it's tailored to you and your needs, and how you can make money with that. If you have, let's say, an affiliate marketing program that you want to promote, or if you have created your own digital products, then you can easily create your content and post 2, 3, 4 times a day without worrying about, finding the content, how to write it, because it takes time. Let's be honest about that. Creating content is not just a matter of, posting your video, writing one line, and then that's it. It does take time. So if we can make things easier, why not? And now we have AI, so let's just take advantage of what we have in our hands. All right, so you want to go to ChatGPT. So let's go, let's log in. You need to have the paid version first. So it's not going to work if you have the free version. So once you log in, okay, so once you're logged in, what you're going to do, you'll go to Explore GPTs, and here you're going to go to Create. So this is how you're going to start building your own little assistant, your AI bot, like I like to call it. And you can say, I want you to be my, we're about like social media growth here. So we want, because we want to create content, right? So I'm going to ask him to be my Instagram assistant and expert to create viral content in order to grow my following and increase sales. So you put whatever you want. Make sure that my content is packed with SEO keywords in the make money online niche. You can say I'm promoting, could be a course or whatever you want, a course on Instagram, and specifically on how to monetize an Instagram account. My keyword for my CTA is, you can put guide, or you can put catalyst, whatever you want is catalyst. And then let's go down. I will show you. So what you're going to do, like once you do that, okay, here. So you're just going to send that command. So your ChatGPT is going to remember that. How about calling? So it's going to give a name to your bot. How about GPT Instagram Growth Catalyst? You can say, like, if you like it, yes, that's good. So you can tell him that's good. So it's going to ask you questions. It's going to create like an image for it as well. Perfect. Let's create a profile picture for Instagram Growth. So you don't have to do anything. It's going to literally create that on its own. And this is it. Here's the profile. If you like it, yes, I do. So you don't have to do anything. That's perfect as well. Great. Okay. In the preview, let me know if there's anything you'd like to tweak. Okay, so now what I recommend is to go to your Instagram account, because that's what we're trying to grow. And you just can, like, if you want, go to your most popular posts. See, this one did well, 5,000 for a little account that I have here. So you can tell him, okay, I will give you, you can say, I will give you 3 examples of content I want you to emulate. So keep that in your memory for your content creation. I want the same style, make it sassy and funny. Write it how a millennial would. The 2 ends here, millennial would, and add some emojis in the captions. Okay, I will now give you the examples. Just acknowledge this. Okay, so give me the examples, blah, blah, blah. Okay, perfect. So now what you can do, and this is what I use this little tool here at the top right. You can see where my arrow is. It's called Copyfish. So here you can just select the text that you want to copy, and then here it is. You can copy, put it here. So I'm gonna put example 1 and then hook. I'm gonna give them the hook and the caption. And here I'll copy the caption. I don't need the Copyfish for the caption because I can literally copy this. So that's 1, example 2, and then you go from there. You just go like find different ones. All right, so here I gave my 3 examples. You can see 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna just send it to my bot. So here he has the comment, acknowledged. I've sorted this example, blah, blah, blah. Okay, perfect. So now you can say, can you please make sure, I like when you have actionable steps. There are actionable steps in all my captions. And I also want, and also add a personal story. So again, you can tell ChatGPT what's your story. So my story is that I lost my job for 9 months during the pandemic, and that's when I discovered how to make money online using a social media app. I lost my dad. You can tell ChatGPT all your story in 2023. That was the turning point. So I'm going to tell my story. Okay, so I provided my story. You can, if you have a description, if you're like, let's say, an affiliate for a product and you have a description of your product, you can literally like copy paste, give that to ChatGPT. And then also, like, let's say you want to be inspired by a YouTube video too, you can take the video, take the script of the video, make a summary of that script, and then give it to ChatGPT, and it's going to create a great content for you. So your updates are in place, captions will now include actionable steps, blah, blah, blah. So it's got everything. So now if you want to test it, you can say, let's test it. Can you create a hook and caption for a post related to time freedom and its importance? Okay, you just give the command. Also, what you can do if you want to, you can always scroll in your feed here, in your explore page, if you want to. And if there's like a hook that you like, let's say, let's say this one. Okay, let's say, wondering if I should just make one last bad decision and plotted 5 last year. Okay, let's say you want to create content with this hook. Okay, so you can copy that. And then, so here, ChatGPT created like a content for you. Imagine waking up on your own time, no alarm clock, no boss, no commute, just freedom to live life on your terms. Caption is this. You can literally change it if you want. Ask ChatGPT to be more emotional, more like funnier. Um, if you like the tone, if you want to change the tone, you can ask it. It will do it. So if you like it, you just can copy. You can add some stuff. I like to add some stuff sometimes. When I don't have time, I literally will copy and paste. It doesn't matter. And then you can say, "Can you please?" So now we're gonna use the example, right? The Instagram hook. Can you please create a content with this hook? You can rewrite the hook, and here we go. So I just gave ChatGPT that command, and here changed it. Should I make one more bad decision before the year ends for the plot, or is it that just my toxic millennial energy speaking? And then same vibes. So you see, it's funny. It's got actionable steps right here. We have the CTA keyword catalyst, and that's it. That's perfect. So now what you can do, once you do whatever you want to do to make it exactly how you want it, you can give him as much info as you need to. Once you're done with that, you just go at the top right, create, and you can decide, do you want it just for you, only me, anyone with the link? So let's say you want to sell it to someone as well. You can just, if you create a digital product, make it your own bot, let's say. The bot is called Instagram Growth Catalyst, or change the name. And then when the person buys your product, you send the link to that person. So it's like a private digital product that you created and you're selling as well. So think about it. It could be for anything. So you can decide to do that, or you can put it in the GPT store and everybody can use it if you want to. So here, I'm going to put only me because that is an example. So once you did it, you can view your GPT. The GPT has been published. You can see here I've got 3. If you want to change it, you can definitely do that. So you go at the top. So when you go to your GPT here, you just click on the name. at the top left and you go to edit GPT. So yeah, there you go. So here you can add whatever you want. Once you added whatever you want, so let's say, can you make sure the content hook is always a one-liner? Okay, so you want it like that, right? So now it's gonna memorize that last instruction you're giving it. Done. Your content hooks will now always start with a compelling one-liner. That's it. You update, top right. So now it's been updated. View GPT. So you can view the GPT, and here you have it. You can give yourself a feedback if you're selling it. But here is how you're gonna create your own little bots. I think that's amazing because that's your own personal bot, and whenever you wanna create content for Instagram, let's say, you can make it special for Instagram. Click on it and ask it to create a content with your specific instructions that you spend time shaping exactly the way you want. You can create a bot for anything you want. Let's say you want to create it for YouTube, you can do that. It will be specialized in YouTube, in blog content, blog writing, in TikTok, or I don't know what else, Facebook, Etsy, whatever you want. Create your own bot. You can sell it as well. So then what you have to do simply is just create more content using your own ChatGPT bot. And then create little short videos. I have a lot of videos showing you how to do that. So please go through my YouTube channel and you'll find a lot of videos that will help you to create your social media page to promote your products and sell your products and make money, whether it's an affiliate product, whether you're creating your own digital product. There are so many ways to make money online, and if you can use AI and ChatGPT to make it easier for yourself, I would just encourage you to do so, because why not? Everything is much easier now. We have a lot more distractions as well, but we have all the tools to make our life simple so we can be successful. So I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up. Just like the video, that's all I need. And I'll see you on the next one for a new way of making money online. See you guys.